I'm going to create a cosmetic tube, and I'm going to use a reference image. So I'm going to import the image. I'm going to the location where I've saved it, so it's in the picture, cosmetic tube, JPEG, like that. I'm going to change the rotations and everything. I'm going to put it at 0, like that. Okay, I'm going to give it a 90-degree rotation around the x-axis, like this. Then yeah, like that. Then I'm going to add, let me zoom it in. Yeah, I'm going to add a cylinder like this also. So I'm going to bring it here and scale it so that no, I want to scale it. I'm going to create a mesh selection so that then I'm going to scale it along the x-axis and reduce the size. I think that should be okay. No, let me increase it further a bit. Let me see how. Okay, with that selected, I'm going to come to edit mode, like this, and I'm going to extrude. No, I'm going to select the lower end and extrude like this, then scale it, extrude a bit, and then scale it like this, and then fill. The face is grid fill, like this. So we have created the lid. I want us to create now the tube. So with this selected, I'm going to come to edit mode. Then I'm going to select this top here, the vertices, like this. Then I'm going to extrude a bit and scale inside a bit, like that. Then extrude inwards, like that. Then extrude a bit and scale inwards, like this, and face, then grid fill. So that's how the inside looks like. So I'm going to go to edit mode again, and then I'm going to select this inside circle, and I'm going to press Shift and D to duplicate. Then I'm going to come to object mode and select it. I'm going to go back to edit mode, select that and separate using selection. Then go back to edit mode, object mode, and then pick it like this. And with that selected, I'm going to go to edit mode, and I'm going to extrude a bit. No, I'm going to select the vertices, extrude a bit like this. I want it to be along the x-axis only, no, z-axis only, like this. And then I'm going to extrude a bit like that. And scale. I'm going to extrude along z axis, so easy. And then I'm going to scale it along x-axis like that. Okay, let me see where. Okay, we are going to go to edit mode like this, so you can see like it's fitting perfectly. But now I want us to have these tapered ends. So what we do, we go back to edit mode and select the top vertices like this. Then going to scale it this way along x-axis. So you can see this how it looks. We want the air to be as close together as possible like that. So if we check from object mode, okay, we can even remove that, see how it looks. So yeah, so that's how it looks. That's how it looks. Okay, you can even make it like, go to edit mode, select all these faces again, and even try expanding it further like this. So see how it looks. This is how it looks. So further, there is that top area here, there is this top area. So what we are going to do, okay, I'm going to bring in Shift A. I'm going to bring in a cube. I'm going to scale it. Then I'm going to drag it along the z-axis. I'm going to minimize further like this. And further drag it on top. Then I'm going to scale it along the y-axis. And drag it this side a bit like that. I'm going to reduce the size further. Yeah, so we have that edge. Then I'm going to put subdivision surface modifier, and I'm going to put it at 2, and and apply. Even this one, I'm going to add a subdivision surface modifier, put it to apply. There I'm going to right click and shade smooth. These two, right click and shade smooth. Yeah, so now you can see how it looks. Yeah, okay, this one I think I should have reduced this, should have reduced it like this. Yeah, then this and cube, all those. I'm going to press J, Control J to join them, and then I'm going to put a subdivision surface modifier. And auto smooth, shade smooth. Yeah, so thank you very much. We'll be doing this from time to time.